What's up, everybody? This is Brendan with Pipe Vise, and today I'm super excited to be introducing y'all to our newest addition to the lineup, the Bigfoot APV01. And as you may guess, that A stands for aluminum. Yeah, that's something you've been asking for a very long time, and something that we've been looking forward to bringing y'all for a very long time. I have its older brother here, the Bigfoot, the steel model, just the PV01. This is our original tool, still one of our best sellers, and I just brought it out so we can kind of compare a few of the design changes and the difference between the two. So we still have the same jaws. The jaws go minimum capacity 3/8 inch all the way up to 1 3/4. So nothing's changed there. Handle's still going to be the same. Y'all liked it, y'all loved it, we kept it. As far as the base goes, you can see on the original model we have these adjustable bolt holes here for you to bolt it down to your work surface. Whereas on the Bigfoot aluminum, we went ahead and shaved those off because you do have these holes for the rubber feet that you could theoretically pop these dudes out and bolt it down if you wanted to. So that saved a lot of weight in and of itself, but once we went with aluminum, it's like 50% lighter because this tool right here weighs about 7 pounds, and I haven't thrown this on the shipping scale yet to get an exact measurement of the weight, but it is about 2 pounds on my normal scale is what it's reading on my tabletop scale. So this thing's like really light, super awesome, and like there's no comparison. I wish you could just like pick it up and feel it yourself. When you pick up the Bigfoot PV01 and then you pick up the APV01, like there's just it feels like a piece of paper. It's so light, it's crazy. It's gonna be really great in the tool bag. So that's enough of me rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into a quick demonstration here. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit closer so you can kind of see what I'm doing a little better. So this is just the part that I always use just because it's here, it's easy to use, and it's a pretty good example. So throw it in the jaws. As you can see, it's really stable. You're not gonna knock it back and forth. It won't fall over. Let's get our adjustable on here, and we'll loosen this union piece. I mean, you can use it one-handed if you want, but I mean, I'm just doing this to show you how stable it is. I prefer to use 2 hands just because I can really grip in and do the work that I need to. Go ahead and flip it around. We'll take this valve off, and then we'll reassemble it just so you can kind of get a little more action out of the tool here. Alright, we'll go ahead and put all this back together here. As you can see, it's very stable side to side. You're not going to knock it over unless you really want to. You can put a lot of force into it. Even though this is the wrong side, we'll go ahead and thread it up on this side here. Flip it around so we can tighten it down. And there you go. That's the Bigfoot APV01 aluminum. Let us know what you think.